Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. It's fun. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
So my name is Aaron. I'm the owner of Xplicit Car Audio, and in here we have 8 Xplicit Audio Calvo 12-inch subs, powered by Terram's MD8K. Okay. And then we have some Star and Black Diamond mids highs, powered by Terram's HD 3K.
Nice. I'll look in after. Yeah. Sweet.
Yeah.
Is this a 4th order?
It's 4th order, 1 to 1.5 ratio, 10 to 40 hertz.
Okay.
I got the center console made.
Looks good.
So like,
did you build the box?
Everything. Fabricated, did everything.
All right. Do you know your tuning in cubic space at all?
Cubic feet. So the sealed side is 8 cubic feet and the bore side is 12. So
okay.
Yeah, 1 to 1.5. Nice. And 2 to 40 hertz. Cody Car Audio, yes sir.
Awesome. Is there any way I can see, just look inside the box if there's any way, or does the port go back? Does the port go deeper? Okay. That way I can check out inside just a little bit if I'm able to. Nice. So what are these subs rated at, RMS wise? Okay. Okay. And where's your amp? Is there any way to see it at all? Okay. Don't worry about it. Hey, what's up, man? Thank you for watching. What's your name, man?
Brandon.
Brandon. Thanks. Nice to meet you, Brandon. Thank you. Hey, you don't have to take it out if it's covering it up. Don't worry about it. Appreciate it, man. It looks good. So is this like a little mini stunt wall? And okay.
120 amp hour lithium.
Okay.
Headway side.
Oh, headway. All right. Yeah, don't worry about taking this off. What is your amp wired to?
1 ohm.
1 ohm. And your amp is right here?
Yep, the big one's right here, the small one's down here.
Okay. And it's all at 1 ohm. All right. Awesome. Thanks for showing me, man.
Absolutely, man. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. This video is sponsored by NVX, and today I have a quick bass spare tire amplifier and subwoofer system, the QBS-TA 11-inch sub rated at 300 watts RMS from NVX. It has a built-in 300 watt RMS amplifier and mounts directly to the hub of spare tires. The frequency range it plays is 30 to 150 hertz, has a top mount amplifier control for ease of tuning, and a wired bass level control as needed. Check out all links in the description to learn more, and shout out to NVX for sponsoring this video.
Then you can open that door.
Open it? Yeah. Allow the doors open? Okay. You were hitting them hard there, man. I appreciate the demo. Nice job, man. Thank you very much. Akodo car audio. Okay.
Cody car audio, yes sir.
Awesome.